IPS, and we thank her for having accepted our invitation to be the chief guest for this passing out parade. This morning, I also thank the Deputy Commissioner, who is not present with us here, but who has sent his regards. I thank other senior police officers of Meghalaya Police for accepting our invitation to be with us on this beautiful morning. Though it is raining, yet it is showers of blessing. I also welcome my colleagues, fellow officers, invitees, relatives, and friends of the trainees who are here today, and those who are watching us live on YouTube, to this passing out parade of the 8th batch basic training recruit constables and followers. The 4th Battalion Meghalaya Police was established on 15 February 2002. In the last 23 years, the Armed Police Training Center has conducted 8 batches of basic training for recruit constables and followers, various cadre courses and refresher courses successfully in spite of the lack of infrastructure and other logistical requirements. We are also conducting the 9th batch of basic training presently for recruit constables and followers. Overall, the APTC has trained over 2,000 trainees from different police units and organizations till date. We do hope that with the support and encouragement of the department and the government, we would one day have a full-fledged, recognized Armed Police Training Center. Our humble request to the Honorable Director General of Police, Meghalaya, is to take up this matter of recognition with the government at the earliest. The 193 recruit constables and 18 followers, a total of 211 trainees, joined the battalion on 30th July 2023 and have undergone 11 months of basic training. In between, they were also exposed to law and order duties and election duties recently. During the period of basic course, they were imparted training in both outdoor and indoor subjects. The outdoor subjects cover a wide range of training techniques and skills in physical training, drill with arms, handling of modern sophisticated weapons, and other standard weapons used by the Meghalaya Police. Riot drill and handling of riot gear, including tear smoke, riot grenades, which are a very essential part in dealing with law and order situations in the event of outbreak of riot and similar disturbances. With regards to indoor classes, they were imparted training on important sections of major and minor acts, which includes the CRPC, the IPC, the Evidence Act, the MV Act, the POXO Act, as well as the new criminal laws, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and the Bharatiya Saksha Adhiniyam, which has come into force with effect from today, the 1st of July 2024. Classes on crime against women, trafficking of women and children, gender sensitization, community policing, human rights was also taken up. The examination of the recruit constables was held in the first and second week of June 2024. I am happy to inform you, ma'am, that the RCs have performed exceedingly well in the above exams, and all of them have secured above 50%. The physical fitness of the recruit constables deserves special mention, as we have put special emphasis on daily PT classes, weekly endurance run of 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, and 10 kilometers, as well as proficiency in the 18 stages obstacle courses in the last 4 months of the basic training. Though we could not allow our basic trainees regular outpass, yet sports, games, and other forms of extracurricular activities was held in this institution, which enabled the trainees to showcase their talents and skills. The RCs have brought laurels to the battalion and to the district in football, basketball, by winning the local district championships and local tournaments. This regular sports interaction has also brought about better police public relations with the surrounding villages. There were 3 RCs mess nights besides talent night, competition night, where the recruit constables and followers showcase their singing, dancing, acting, quizzing, and other cultural skills. Some of the RCs have even performed together with members of the Meghalaya Police Cultural Troupe in their various programs all over the state. We are also proud of the trainees because they have followed in the footsteps of the personnel of this battalion in going beyond the call of duty to those in need. They have contributed towards providing warm clothing for those in need during the Christmas season 2023, besides providing necessary items to children of BPL families. Many have also voluntarily donated blood for patients in need of blood donation. In